Hamburg's Hafencity, a destination for architecture and history enthusiasts. Hamburg's Hafencity is a modern and exciting waterfront district that has become one of the city's most popular travel destinations. It offers a fascinating mix of historic warehouses and modern architecture, including the city's famous landmark, the Elbphilharmonie. A perfect destination for architecture and history enthusiasts alike. Developed in the 2000s as part of Hamburg's urban planning projects, Hafencity spans over approximately 157 hectares and offers an impressive mix of historic and modern buildings. The Elbphilharmonie is an architectural masterpiece that not only serves as a concert hall but also offers breathtaking views of the harbor and the city. Aside from the Elbphilharmonie, there is also the Überseequartier, a shopping and entertainment complex with many shops, restaurants, bars, and cinemas. The International Maritime Museum Hamburg, located in a historic warehouse, is also worth a visit, with its extensive collection of ship models, navigation instruments, and maritime artifacts from around the world. Hafencity is also an ideal starting point for boat tours through the Hamburg harbor, where visitors can experience the impressive ships and bustling harbor up close. Tourists who plan to visit Hafencity are advised to get a Hafencity map to easily find the main attractions and sites. In summary, Hamburg's Hafencity is a fascinating travel destination for architecture and history enthusiasts, with many sights to discover. Whether as part of a city trip or a standalone destination, Hafencity is definitely worth a visit. Plan your trip to Hamburg and discover Hafencity for yourself.